The iPhone 15 is coming in a few days and we now have our first hands-on look at the final plastic mock-up showcasing the near final design. The regular 15 and 15 Plus will run a 60Hz display, which is something you all should note. However, that dynamic island, near bezel-less finish and curved frame with massive batteries make them an amazing deal. The Pro and Pro Max get a high-speed USB-C port, fast charging, a titanium curved frame finish which is gonna be solid and tough, and a unique action button that you can use to trigger 9 different functions. The near final camera specifications of the iPhone 15 series coming in. So the 15 and 15 Plus are coming with a new 48 megapixel sensor with f1.6 aperture and a 12 megapixel super wide angle shooter. The 15 Pro and Pro Max will pack a 48 megapixel main, 13.4 megapixel ultra wide and a 12.7 megapixel telephoto sensor. The icing on cake is Pro Max got a periscope lens on top of it, making it go 5 to 10 times lossless zoom. So Apple is for sure betting big on this device, and the new sensor paired with periscope camera and A17 Bionic is gonna take some awesome daylight and night shots. So as summing up, the official event is happening on 12th this month and Apple is announcing the iPhone 15, 15 Plus, 15 Pro and 15 Ultra with stable iOS 17. There's gonna be Watch Series 9 and the 2nd Gen Watch Ultra with S9 chip, a lightweight design and a new color finish. Finally, we may see USB-C AirPods Pro case. The regular 15 and 15 Plus may start from $799 and $899, so same price like 14 and 14 Plus, but this time we have dynamic island Type-C port and tiny bezel, so a hot deal overall. The 15 Pro series, however, is getting a price hike, may start from $1099 and the Pro Max with periscope camera from $1299. The A17 got 6-core CPU and 6-core GPU clocked at 3.70 GHz with a single core score reaching 3268 and a multi-core Geekbench score maxing out at 7666, which is insane. So a few days to go for the official launch of the iPhone 15 series coming out with iOS 17, A17 Bionic, fast charging Type-C port with colorful cables, action button, massive batteries and whatnot. This all guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.